Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is May 22nd, 2024, Wednesday. Option expiry for BankNifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis, then we go into the detailed analysis. So FinNifty, to begin with, we'll say FinNifty, it closed at 21,438.20. Solid big red candle, the lower wick touching the 50-day simple moving average. From there it bounced, but it's a very solid big red candle, and it formed a bearish engulfing the previous 2-3 days candle, I would say. So if you recollect, FinNifty, what happened yesterday, it formed a solid green candle, but it could not break past the Bollinger Middle Band. So we had said that is going to act as a tough resistance. Market is now in a sideways and a consolidation phase. That is what is happening. Hence, it will move between the Bollinger Middle Band. Now it is moving between the Bollinger and Middle Band and the lower band. Next is Nifty. Nifty formed even a bigger red candle, and in fact, at one point in time, it almost for most part of the day, it was below the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average. And in fact, at one point in time, it actually threatened to go and touch the level of the Bollinger lower band, which we had given as a resistance. Now the power of technical analysis. So yesterday, what did we say? We had said that the support is at the Bollinger lower band on the daily chart, which is at 47,110. So today, if you see BankNifty, it touched a low of 47,435. That's the power of technical analysis. On the upward side, we had said that it is a 2023 close, above which is the Fibonacci 61.8. All those things are there, but it never went there. Hence, no, we are not discussing that. So you can see the power of technical analysis. Now, Nifty in particular is showing tremendous amount of weakness, more than that of FinNifty. Reason I will explain you. So basically, the bands are moving in parallel. The Bollinger bands are moving in parallel. Of course, parallel. It has started moving in parallel, but it is not forming a band squeeze. So what I expect is a band squeeze that is going to form in FinNifty and BankNifty, after which a significant breakout is going to happen, and most likely the breakout is going to be on the downward side. Looks like. Okay. So we have to wait and see. Probably the timing will coincide with the post the election results. Once things settle down on all those things, probably we don't know, right? So it might happen. Nifty, on the other hand, It closed at 22,597.80, opened the gap up and formed a hanging man type candle. See, normally people, amateurs, might think that it's a solid up move. No, it's a kind of a move that is not giving confidence. Why it is not giving confidence? Because after a significant rally, it has formed a hanging man. Normally what happens, hanging man is a danger symbol. I mean, I use the word danger because it is prone to fall in the next day or in the next candle. Hence, no, one has to be extremely careful. That's why I'm using the word danger symbol. However, at least for today, it closed positively. But closing positively, negatively is not the issue. But whether it has closed strongly or weakly, I would say that this is not a very powerful close. Though, yes, Nifty closed better than FinNifty and BankNifty. So, FinNifty closed at 21,326.7, which is 0.3% down, 21,438.20. Bank Nifty closed at 47,781.95, 0.55% down. Nifty closed at 22,597.80, 0.31% up. So overall, if you see Nifty and Bank Nifty, there is a divergence I can see between these two indices, but the divergence will not run for quite some time. There will be a convergence that will happen shortly, where all the indices will move in particular direction. Now already we are seeing Bank Nifty is the weakest amongst all, followed by FinNifty, followed by Nifty. With that, let's go into the analysis of individual components. On the banking side, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, CUB, Federal, ICICI, SBI, Yes Bank, all 1% down, AU down 2%. None of the banking moved up today. So, on the banking side, ICICI Bank is looking weak. In fact, now people will say ICICI is, no, now it is looking weak. And Kotak, whatever is the short term, after a big fall, the short term pullback rally, that's over. Please be cautious because it is near the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average. And bears onslaught, Kotak people cannot bear that, hence no, just be cautious. That's all I can say. It has to decisively go above this, but I don't see that happening. Right? If that is not happening, decisively, if it is not going about, decisive, the word decisive is very important, then it is going to be trouble. Hence, no, please be careful and discuss with your investment advisor and look for good opportunities. As far as the financials are concerned, Chola, Canfin Homes, L&T Finance 1% down, along with Manappuram and Serum. Chola Finance 2% down. M&M Finance was the sole winner, moving up by 1%. So here again, I have told multiple times, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, many people will say, oh, this is a great time to buy. Nothing is great time to buy. These are all looking terribly weak. In fact, I would go one level above and say Nifty is looking weak. In fact, next month is the election results coming. We don't know. We have to wait for the outcome, and things should settle down. But even if it settles down, if current BJP government is going to come with a good majority, still no, the euphoria will come down after some period of time where there will be some fall. That's what it is looking in the Nifty charts, right? On the insurance, HDFC Life 1% down, LIC 3% up. So oil and telecom, Reliance 2% up, Apple 1% down, Birla Soft, Infi and LTAM 1% up, LTTS and Cofor 2% up. On the consumer goods, Berger 1% down, Asian Paints, ITC 1% up, Britannia, DMart, Hindustan Lever 2% up, Page Industries had a big up move of 3%. So overall, if you see the consumer goods and a little bit of support from IT, that's why Nifty was able to perform better than the other two indices. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland and Bharat Forge 1% down, Escorts, Hero Motors, Motherson 1% up. Metals, Hindalco, JSW, National Aluminum, Vedanta 1% down, NMDC and SAIL 3% down, Jindal Steel 1% up, Coal India 2% up. On the health and pharma, Apollo Hospitals and Thyrocare 1% down, Divi's, Dr. Reddy, Lalpath 1% up, Metropolis and Cipla 3% up. In the others category, APL Apollo, Havels and MCX 1% down, Zomato 2% down, Polycab also 2% down. Adani Enterprise, Godrej Properties, Indigo, IRCTC, Nykaa, Ultratech, UPL, all 1% up. Z Telefilm 2% up. So overall, no indices, there is some amount of weakness that is seen, fatigue that is clearly seen. Market is trending sideways with a downward bias because at least on the Nifty and BankNifty, the price is below the Bollinger Middle Band and it is finding it difficult to stay above the Bollinger Middle Band. Hence, no, that will act as a very tough resistance. Because these two indices are going down, Nifty also cannot run too much without these indices. As you all know, at least 1/4 of the weightage is constituted by the financials, banking and financials. So with all these things, what do we expect for Nifty expiry tomorrow? Simple. Nifty, the support is at two levels I will be looking for, which is the 50-day simple moving average, which is at 22,322, below which is the 50-day exponential moving average, which is at 22,268. As far as resistance is concerned, I would look at a weekly upper band because all sudden and Nifty on the weekly chart still it is looking good. So hence, no, it is the weekly is looking, the weekly upper band is something which one can think of as a good resistance, which is at 22,837. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.